In this experiment, we will find out what is produced in burning. First, drip some wax of a burning candle into the bowl of a burning spoon. Blow out the flame and fix the candle to the spoon. Light the candle again and put it into a jar of oxygen. What happens to the candle flame? Touch the gas jar with your hand. What do you feel? When the candle stops burning, remove the burning spoon and cover the gas jar with a cover plate quickly. What can you observe on the inner surface of the gas jar? What do you think it is? Rub a piece of dry cobalt chloride paper on the inner surface of the gas jar to test your prediction. Add about 5 centimeters cubed of hydrogen carbonate indicator to the gas jar. Cover the gas jar quickly and shake it gently. What happens to the hydrogen carbonate indicator? In this experiment, we can see the candle flame burns brightly in oxygen. We can feel warm when we touch the gas jar. These show that light energy and heat energy are given out during burning. When we observe the inner surface of the gas jar, we can see some colourless mist on it. The colourless mist can turn dry cobalt chloride paper from blue to pink, indicating that it is water. This shows that water is produced during burning. When we add a small amount of hydrogen carbonate indicator to the gas jar, it turns from red to yellow. This shows that carbon dioxide is also produced during burning.